Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is the pre-market for Tuesday's session. And I'm just going to show you, this is my T-1 trade model. This is for scalping 3-4 ticks, sometimes more. It just kind of depends. I usually leave many times the trade open and take it from there. So I'm just going to kind of point out some of the turns. You can see this is signal short. There's a signal long. Right here, this is in the pre-market. Right in here is a signal short, signal long, and there's some rules for me to screen out some of these trades and not to go counter trend and not take this trade. I'd still probably get 3 ticks out of this and some of these others, but once the market starts to show its hand, and you are better served to just follow some simple guidelines that I have, and that will keep you on the right side of the market from not having to take every twist and turn. So here's long, here's another long. There's definitely rules to follow. So there's going to be a lot of like this I would not take. This potentially could have taken, may have gotten stopped out, but if in fact I did, that'd probably be a small stop out. Once there's no follow through for me, if I'm entering long in here and I start to get failure, I might take a 2-tick loss on this, and that's it. This is showing, short right here. So if I don't get follow through, like right here, I'm going to be going long right in here, and there's follow through. I'm going long right here, there's follow through. I'm going long right here, there's follow through. So if the market doesn't do what I need or want it to do when I'm trading, then I actually just get out. If I lose the edge, as I've talked about in my blog, I just will get out. Here's the entry, and there's the follow through. So just I've got some trades that I took earlier, so you can just take a look at those too and say, like, you can see what I'm talking about. There's long, there's short, there's long. This might be a little tough to grab that spot right in here, but nonetheless, I'm just kind of pointed that out. This could have been a short, but probably in that area would be fine for short. There's long, and and you can see just the corresponding signals there. This short is a whole lot better than this short over here, and this long is quite fine. This long right over here, most excellent. And this here, initially I could have taken this here, but I like it better here for different reasons. When the market comes back underneath the green and then re-emerges back up, just like this here. So this is basically an additional signal, either an add-on or a new entry signal. So just as far as the indicator is concerned. But again, I trade the price action, and these indicators just kind of happen to do what I'm doing anyway. So, but I'm just showing this to those who are following, just so you could see something of how you can take the trades and follow some indicators that can be your guiding light, so to speak. Here's a point and 3 ticks. Or maybe a point and a half point, I think here. That was my first trade. Counter trend here for a half point. There was a half point loss here. I had no follow through, so I quickly got out. Just a 2-tick loss. You can see how it traded up, and I definitely I did have enough time to get out. Closed it out at a half. Sometimes it doesn't it'll get away from you, and I'll end up taking a full point stop. And I did have one of those just in a little bit. I'll show you that. Here's long right here, and this was for a point, and there's 2 points. I got out a little early. I could have stayed in with this trade, and actually here's a little re-emergence signal right here. Was right in there, but there was a trade short I didn't take. There's one long. This was a full point stop, and this was several point gain, scaled out of that, and I had a few more in here. I missed this. Well, that was a really nice big move down. Didn't take anything in there. Took a little short in here, and I think I had 1 or 2 more. Another little short in here. I could have let this run. Took a little gain right in here, and that was pretty much it. So there was a little signal there. But those are the turns. Sniper Day Trading. Thanks.